As you can see, front wall, Dennis had arranged to design or build a couple of equipment platforms, one for the power amp, one for the source unit. Obviously, front right monitor, front left. Behind each monitor again, there's the ACDA 10 units to absorb low frequency energy. Diffusion on the front wall, 3 QRD 11 units. Foam on the side walls, ceiling 2. And of course, to complete the setup, fusion on the rear. What everyone says is true. Definitely opens up the soundstage, and more than ever now I'm not hearing. I can't localize a lot of the track. A lot of it is diffused essentially. So it's quite amazing the effect that all my music has really taken on a new life of its own, which is essentially what anyone investing all this time and money in this sort of treatment would hope to achieve. And I believe I've done that, or we have done that, should I say. Most of the work Dennis has done, obviously. Yeah, absolutely incredible. Especially music with a lot of instrumental elements to it. I've found that that's the thing that has popped out of the tracks, out of anything else. Yes, the vocals are extremely localized at the listening position. You can't localize them coming from the monitors or the speakers. But yes, you get a real incredible sense of the performer performing right in front of you, which is, especially if you close your eyes, it really is amazing. But again, going back to the music with a lot of acoustics, like, hand-plucked instruments just sound so beautifully warm and, dare I say, engaging. It's just incredible the amount of depth that you get with diffusion too. Again, closing your eyes, you can sometimes hear and feel instruments moving around the room, and this is a 2-channel setup. I just, I'm very appreciative of Dennis's time throughout the entirety of this process. Having front wall and rear wall diffusion, I feel that this is something that I've probably dreamt of for quite a while now, since I was first getting into this kind of stuff. And I'm not regretting anything that I've done or spent. Everything sounds and looks fantastic. The products do look fantastic, but performance-wise, you would expect them to perform, and they most certainly do. So I'm not really sure where to go from here. I haven't done ceiling diffusion yet, but perhaps that's something that I may think about in the near future. But just to wrap up, I really do think that, especially for music, great for films too, but for music, instruments have so much more depth and clarity and movement around the space too, so much spaciousness, and I think that's what it's really all about.